Hey guys, starting this Thursday, we're going to continue an annual TubeTape tradition, Countdown to Christmas. That's where we're going to sell one or more items for 50% off every day until Christmas.
In addition to that, we're going to be holding another contest. Send us a 30-second video explaining which TubeTape product you would like to see under your tree this year, and why, and I may just bring you one. Ho ho ho! But hurry, the contest ends on Christmas Day. Hey little elf, what's your name?
It's Biddy. Because of copyright laws, it can't be Buddy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Dance party! Woo!